So there you have a nice picture there of a growth, of course. And you have, I just focus on your isolated colonies, nice isolated colonies. And you can, start to describe them. For example, you can say they are circular. Perhaps if we were to have them, we could also comment if we had them in hand, if we were to look at the elevation, which would be looking at it from the side. Maybe we would comment and say flat or raised. Okay. And then also the margin, the edge of the colony. Okay. You also comment and say this is an entire colony. It is an entire colony. Okay. Density, well, you have to hold it up in the light. Okay, but there's also that description, hold it up in the light, and then you see if light is passing through the colonies or not. This agar would probably be described as opaque, most likely, from what I can see. Amateur, since we're not holding it up, it's not a real experience, but just to get the idea of the descriptions that we use to have the characteristics, colony characteristics. Okay. Another characteristic could be cohesiveness. Okay, so this is where we say mucoid, non-mucoid. I'm not quite sure if we can comment given on a picture. Really, it's not a good exercise. Okay. And then also texture, where we're looking at the surface of the colonies. Are they dry? Are they smooth? And so on. Okay. So that is the idea, and all of these characteristics that you're able to gather then inform you that perhaps the identity of the bacterium is such and such. Okay. You look at literature, of course, and all that is known to have to piece the clues together based on now what you have studied. Okay. So basically that is it about aseptic techniques, and then of course an aseptic inoculation. Okay, that would be the end of our aseptic technique lab introduction.